Welcome back to the IBIS Deep Dive series. In the last episode, we brought data in from every kind of source. But raw data is rarely chart-ready. It needs cleaning and shaping first. That's what data prep flows are for. Visual pipelines that transform your data without writing a line of SQL. Let's sign in and open prep flows. Here's the prep flows page. A prep flow is a chain of steps, an input, then optional filters and aggregations, and finally an output that reads an existing dataset, transforms it, and materializes a brand new, clean dataset. Here's one we built earlier that rolls up stock movements. Let's build a fresh one, a receivables summary by region. We click New Flow. Every flow starts with an input step, the source it reads from. We add an input and choose sales invoices, 200 invoice rows pulled straight from ERPNext. This is the raw material our pipeline will shape. Next, we add a filter step to narrow the rows down. We write a simple expression, grand total greater than 10,000, to focus on our high-value invoices. It's plain, readable logic. No joins, no boilerplate, just the condition we care about. Now the heart of the flow, an aggregate step. We group by territory, then define 3 measures: the total invoice value, the total outstanding balance, and a count of invoices. This collapses 200 individual rows into a tidy 1 row per region summary. Finally, an output step gives the result a name: receivables by territory. 4 steps, chain top to bottom: input, filter, aggregate, output. That's the whole pipeline, defined visually. We save the flow. With the steps in place, we hit run. IBIS compiles the whole chain into a single query, executes it against the analytics store, and materializes the result. The status turns green. The flow succeeded, and its output is ready. And that output is a real, first-class dataset. Over on the Datasets page, it's sitting right at the top, tagged as a prep result. Let's preview it. 1 clean row per territory, each with its invoice count and totals, ready to drop straight into a chart. Exactly what we designed, and we never touched SQL. Best of all, the flow stores its logic, so it's repeatable. Rerun it anytime, and it rebuilds the output from the latest source data, and you can schedule that to happen automatically. Need a change? Edit any step, run again, and the dataset reshapes itself. It's a living, governed pipeline, not a one-off export. That's data prep flows, chain input, filter, aggregate, and output steps to turn messy, raw data into clean, governed datasets, entirely without SQL. In the next episode, we finally start building charts from all this data. Thanks for watching.